I believe when brothers and sisters in Christ live in oneness and demonstrate unity in a world of division, we are actually bringing shalom into the world. I say shalom and you say what? Peace. But Hebraic shalom actually is much deeper and richer than just peace. Hebraic shalom carries the idea of wholeness, of flourishing. It's the way of the Garden of Eden. It's the way things were always meant to be. It's the way things ought to be. It's deep goodness, wholeness, flourishing, and delight. How many of you want some more shalom in your life? How many of you have some things that are challenging the shalom in your life right now? Raise your hand. Some things that are breaking your peace, come against your peace. Oneness is a way of bringing shalom, and a core characteristic of shalom is harmony. It's core to the Hebraic definition of shalom, this idea of different notes being played together beautifully in a way that they fit, that they're greater as a whole than they are as individual notes. There is this flourishing that comes with it. And y'all, I believe with all of my heart that the church is her best when she is more like a bouquet of flowers than 12 red roses. We are better in all of our diversity, in all of our otherness, yet unified together. It's unity in the diversity, honoring all, but seeking to be one, to sing, to live, to manifest harmony, oneness in Jesus, bringing shalom into the world, causing heaven to come down to the ground. You remember that passage in Revelation? Every tribe, every language, every tongue will be there. And oneness is a way that we actually bring heaven to earth. And I read this as a follower of Jesus, and it leaves me with a question, and the question is, Kristi, how are you actively participating with the living God to bring oneness into this world? How are you seeking to do that? Am I known as a person of harmony? Am I known as somebody who honors the differentiation yet seeks oneness in it?